Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of FirstBook AI and EbookWriter AI. Both tools claim that they take your ideas and turn them into full-length, publish-ready books in a fraction of the time it would normally take. But the real question is this: which one actually delivers better results? Which one actually delivers better quality and better value for money? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is worth your time, depending on whether you're an author, a content creator, or someone trying to build digital products. So let's get started. First, we start with FirstBook AI. FirstBook AI is designed specifically for one core purpose: helping you turn an idea into a structured, long-form book in a guided step-by-step process. Instead of just generating random text, it acts more like a co-writing system. You're not just clicking generate book and hoping for the best. Instead, it walks you through your topic, audience, tone, and key ideas. From there, it builds a structured outline, a chapter by chapter development, and a full manuscript that can reach up to a professional book length. The big selling point here is that it removes what they call the blank page problem. Now let's talk about EbookWriter AI. EbookWriter AI takes a slightly different approach. Instead of guiding you step by step like FirstBook AI, it's more of a rapid ebook generation engine. You give it a topic or a niche and it can generate full ebook structure, chapters, content sections, formatting, and even visual elements like covers and images in some cases. One of its biggest selling points is speed and automation. It's built for people who want to create ebooks fast, sometimes in a matter of minutes or hours, depending on length and editing needs. It's also designed with monetization in mind, meaning users often use it for digital product creation, lead magnets, affiliate marketing ebooks, and self-publishing on platforms like Kindle-style marketplaces. So while FirstBook AI feels more like a guided authoring assistant, EbookWriter AI feels more like a high-speed content factory for ebooks. Now, let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, we start with FirstBook AI. FirstBook AI focuses heavily on structure and storytelling flow. It has a step-by-step guided book creation, where the step 1 is to share your story, the step 2 review your outline, and step 3 would write chapter by chapter. It has an AI-powered outlining system, a chapter by chapter writing process as earlier mentioned, full manuscript generation, and export options like PDF and other formats. It's also built for long-form consistency. The biggest advantage here is coherence and structure. It tries to ensure that your book feels like a real authored work, not just AI-generated text. And it's especially useful if you want something that reads like a real published business or thought leadership book. Now we go on to discuss the features of the EbookWriter AI. EbookWriter AI focuses more on automation and production speed. Yes, there's rapid ebook generation, auto-generated chapters and layouts, formatting tools that are built in, cover and visual generation options, and multiple export formats. There's also monetization-friendly structure like affiliate links and publishing-ready files. The strength here is efficiency and scalability. If you want to produce multiple ebooks quickly, EbookWriter AI is designed for that flow. Now let us talk about the pricing of both. For FirstBook AI, there is the $29 plan with 1 credit. It produces 1 book. It's perfect for testing the process. It's a one-time payment and credits never expire. There's a $69 plan, which is called 5 credits, equals 5 books. You save 53% per book, and it's also a one-time payment. There's also the 20 credits plan, which costs $199, also known as 20 books, and it saves 65% per book, also a one-time payment. Now with the pricing of EbookWriter, there's a starter plan at 10 credits per month, $19.9 per month, a creator plan at 20 credits per month, $29.9 per month, and an enterprise plan of 50 credits per month at $59.9 per month. Now if you want to purchase extra credits, you can get 2 more credits for $5.99, 10 credits for $39.9, and 20 credits for $59.9. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For FirstBook AI, it has a very structured writing process. It's great for beginners. It produces long-form coherent books and has an easy guided workflow. And the pros of EbookWriter AI: it has an extremely fast ebook generation. It is great for digital products creators, built for monetization and publishing workflows, and has flexible formatting and output options. How about the cons? For FirstBook AI, it's less flexible for creative writing styles. It's focused mainly on business type books and is not ideal for fast ebook mass reproduction. And the cons of ebook Maker: it can produce more generic content if not edited, and it has less guided storytelling structure. Also, the quality may depend on how much you refine the outputs. So now the big question is this: which one actually writes better books? The answer honestly depends on what you define as better. If your goal is to create a high quality, structured, professional book, especially something like a business book, a personal brand book, coaching or authority building book, then FirstBook AI is the stronger choice. But if your goal is speed and to scale and as well as monetization, then EbookWriter AI wins in that category. And that's it on the comparison of FirstBook AI and EbookWriter AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SudoWrite, Jasper AI, and WriteSonic. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.